sprays water on us like little lakes. Big-eared Uncle Elephant strolls through the woods so elegant. Lion roars loud, he's the jungle king for sure. Golden mane, brave and strong, ready to lead all day long. Kingly lion, roar once more, wake the jungle with your roar. Bear growls deeply, loves sweet honey, wouldn't you? With giant paws he walks around, then sleeps in winter without a sound. Brother bear loves honey so, snuggles in peace when cold winds blow. Squirrel climbs up high with care, takes her nuts back to her lair. Tiny hands work all day, jumping from branch to branch in play. Busy squirrel full of cheer, gathers nuts as winter draws near. Frog jumps up, ribbit, ribbit, plays in ponds, can you feel it? She loves to splash, she loves to swim, she's small and brave with froggy grin. Froggy friend begins to sing, ribbit, ribbit, let joy ring. Now clap your hands, say goodbye to every creature low and high, until our next fun song begins. Keep dancing, smiling, let the joy spill.